Hello and Namaste everyone. Welcome to my channel DIY with Zini. Today I'm sharing bullet journal for the month of January. So if you like this video, then start your own bullet journaling to plan upcoming year. So let's get started. First I'm drawing a square with micron doodling pen. Then I'm sketching out some wildflowers with my pencil. I will list all the supplies that I'm using in this video in the description box down below. So if you're wondering about the supplies, then please check it out. Now to color these wildflowers, I am using watercolors by Camlin. I am adding some water only where I want my color to spread, and then I am adding some watercolor pigments. I am coloring all the wildflowers with a combination of yellow, orange and pink. I know it is looking a bit messy right now, but it's okay because at the end it will look great. It is the beauty of using watercolors. Now to color the leaves, I am using all three green shades that are available in the palette. Then let it dry completely. Now let's start doodling. I am using black micron pen for drawing. Here I am adding some dots with white gel pen. Then I am sticking a strip of black cardstock and will write name of the month on it with white gel pen. Now I am doodling scallop edge all around the square. Next, I am sticking black cardstock on left page and I will write this month's quote on it with white gel pen. Next, I'm drawing stitching lines all around the black paper, and our cover page for the month of January is ready. I like the bright and cheerful colors to start the new year. Now next page is monthly log, and I'm doodling and watercoloring the same wildflowers for this page too. Now here I am drawing monthly calendar and some tracker boxes. Now I am completely fine to color outside the lines, but if it does bother you, then you can always use white gel pen to hide it. Now here I am writing days and dates of the month, and boxes below are for monthly to-do list, YouTube growth tracker and health tracker. And here's my monthly log page. Next spread is mood tracker and habit tracker. I'm coloring a rectangle for the title of the page, and I will follow the same style throughout this month. Now to track mood, I am drawing a giant dandelion, and I will divide the circle into 31 equal parts, which will represent each day of the month. Now for habit tracker, I will follow the same spread as last month. Now here's the demo for mood tracker. I will draw a longer line when I will be happy and a shorter line when sad. I will share my mood tracker on Instagram at end of January, so be sure to follow me there. Now next spread is expense tracker and video planner. Now last spread is weekly logs. And my simple yet colorful weekly log is ready. And here's the flip through of January bullet journal spread. I hope you liked this video. If you recreate it, then please share pictures with me on Instagram with hashtag D.I.Y with Zini. I would love to see them. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also click on the bell icon so that you can get notifications for my next video. For more inspiration, I handpicked these 2 videos for you. Happy New Year and happy crafting!